Lesson number 3. Be a good listener. It is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language or when you are dealing with other people. You can find it out with the help of the following. 1. When you are listening to someone, you should look at the person because good listeners look at the speaker. 2. Do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? Good listeners pay close attention to the speaker. 3. Do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? Here are some of the things that will help you understand the speaker better. If you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from the context. You can try to guess what the speaker will say next. Try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker or even when you disagree with the speaker. Wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying. Then you can get your doubt clarified by asking polite questions. Do not feel shy or afraid to ask questions if you do not understand what is being said. Put your questions to the speaker politely. Sometimes it helps to note down important words or points even as you listen. Lastly, it also helps to keep thinking about what you heard. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or a phrase later on.